Are you constantly attracting men that you find them unattractive? Hi, my name is Simona Angel. I'm a love and relationship coach and a divine self-aligner, and I work with single professional women to attract their soulmate and build a lasting love relationship together with him by implementing my signature alignment code in their entire life. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to stop attracting men that you find them unattractive. But first thing first, I'm going to tell you why you are attracting them, and then I'm going to give you some solutions to stop attracting this kind of man forever. So let's get started. Have you wondered why you are always attracting this type of man? Somehow you know what you want and how your ideal man should look like. But even if you are clear with that, you are still attracting men that you don't like physically or emotionally or mentally. Overall, you perceive them unattractive. If you like him physically, you discover later that he has some values or life principles that you hate, or worse, he doesn't like you or he is not showing you any interest. And the most annoying part, the ones that you don't like, they give you the attention that you want. So why this is happening? There are two reasons. Or you aren't a vibrational match with your ideal man, or your ideal man avatar is not aligned with your true self. So let's take the first one. You aren't a vibrational match with your ideal man. It's a mismatch vibration between you and what you want. As you already know, we are vibration, and the law of attraction will always bring back to us what we vibrate. Let me give you an example. If you want an athletic man, but you barely go to the gym, then you will never attract an athletic man. And even though you attract someone like this, you'll never be able to maintain that relationship because you don't contain that energy. The solution here, check to see if your ideal man characteristics are also your characteristics too. If not, then try to contain them. And the second reason, your ideal man avatar is not aligned with your true self. Meaning, what you want is something that you think is your ideal man. And this is happening when you borrowed from your family, friends, and society beliefs, ideologies, ideas of how an ideal man should be. I will give you another example. You want a good-looking man, and if you will be super honest with yourself, you realize that you want this type of man because you want to show to your family or friends that you can have a handsome man near you. So you want this type of man because you want to prove to someone something. And this is a recipe of ending in the wrong relationship. Never ever to choose a man because you want to demonstrate something to someone, to be perceived smart by your family, to be accepted by a top-level society. You aren't starting the relationship for others. You start the relationship for yourself. Now that you know why you are attracting them, let me tell you some solutions to stop attracting them. First solution, create a soul-aligned clarity of what you want. Your clarity should be aligned with who you really are at the soul level. Each time when you want a man, be super clear of why you want that man and be super honest with what you can do or not. And remember, you will live with him for the rest of your life. He wouldn't live with your friends or family or society. Therefore, these are the reasons why you are attracting men that you perceive them unattractive. Now you know why this is happening, and you have some simple solutions too. Start to apply them, and if you have any questions, then leave a comment. Of course, there are more complex solutions that I'm applying with my clients for fast and permanent results. If you want to know more, then check this link, bloomyourlovelife.com/apply.